What'd you guys get?
That's what Max did the art of the short form message stuff.
Sometimes it's hard. Sometimes it's hard, I have to admit. Sometimes it's tough. Because you're like, you need to
Car,
have the
car?
detail, otherwise it could be misunderstood and construed. It's like, how do I get all the detail in without
Bless you,
having,
Micah.
like, a whole page letter?
Car, car.
Little people.
That looks great. Do you guys like it?
There's still more paper.
Yeah, you gotta keep going. You haven't finished.
JC, get the rest done. Apparently Micah likes it.
Yeah. Bless you, Moo. Oh, you like the car?
Very cool.
I see that one. All right, can you say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa? Say thank you. Yeah. Right here, you want to say thank you, JC? Say thank you. Good job. Micah, can you say thank you? Don't touch it. Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Okay, say thank you, and then you can see it.
That's very cool.
Okay, say thank you. Say blow kisses.
Over 6 feet tall.
Aww.